Good afternoon. I'm Beth Kaplan, owner and chef of Blackwing Organic Meats. I'm standing next to a very talented chef, Chef Stefan Markov of Valor Restaurant.
It's Valor Restaurant. We are in Glencoe. Recently started to work with Beth with Blackwing Farms Organics, and great products, great meat, and I am able to create things that I wouldn't be able to make without her product. So very, very grateful about that. So we decided today to show you guys how to make a Thanksgiving turkey in a way that you're gonna make it taste better, save time, and save money.
What he has done today, and I assisted, was a sort of a flip of using a whole turkey for Thanksgiving. It's the French way of preparing the turkey boneless.
So the reason we do the turkey, well, I like to prepare the turkey this way. I like to brine it, because when you brine it, you infuse and add so much flavor in the meat, and the meat never dries out. So you have a lesser cooking time. You don't need to cook it for 6 hours and make it dry. It's a 20-minute cooking time. Put it in the oven. 20 minutes before the guests come, pull it out, slice. It's a juicy piece of meat.
Whether it's 11 pound, 15 pound, 22 pound, comes out like so juicy all the time.
Absolutely.
And more importantly, of course, it will always have an 165-degree internal temp.
Another plus of making the turkey this way, it frees up your oven. So if you want to make roasted potatoes or roasted vegetables, the oven is not busy for 6 hours. You only need 20 minutes.
Bon appetit from Chef Beth and Chef Stefan.
Merci beaucoup.